Up next, you'll discover how to create a new innovation board. Start by clicking here to add your new board. If you'd like your board to be visible only to you, go ahead and click here to make it private. Now you can add a description to your board here. Once that's done, simply click here to create the board. Next, we'll explore setting up an innovation board using a market template. Click here to open the innovation board. After opening the board, click here to browse the market. You'll find various templates in the market. Go ahead and select one. Choose an option from the displayed template versions. Once you've checked the details, click there to import your selected market template. Now, we'll learn how to set up an innovation board using a JSON file. First, click here to open the innovation board. Then click here to import your JSON file. After reviewing all details, click here to finalize the import of your JSON file. Now, we'll proceed to setting up an innovation board from scratch. Begin by clicking here to open the innovation board. Then, click here to start with a blank board. Next, we'll discuss updating an innovation board. Click here to view the innovation board details. To make edits, click here and then click here if you need to change the board's name. If you need to update the description, click here. Once all changes are made, click here to save them. Let's move on to adding product role track associations to an innovation board. Click here to access the innovation board details. To edit the details, click here. Then, manage the product role track associations by clicking here and selecting options from the display. Next, let's learn how to remove product role track associations from an innovation board. Start by clicking here to open the board details. Click here to edit. Manage the product role track associations by clicking here, then remove your selections from the displayed options. Next, we'll explore adding card visibility to an innovation board. Click here to access the board details. Click here to edit the innovation board details, then click here to manage card visibility settings. Choose from the displayed options to make your changes. Select one of the displayed options to adjust settings. Toggle here to enable the option, then click here to exit the menu. Now, we'll see how to remove card visibility from an innovation board. Start by clicking here to open the board details. Click here to edit and then here to manage card visibility settings. Make your selections from the displayed options. After choosing your options, toggle here to disable the setting. Click here to exit the menu when you're done. Next, let's learn how to export an innovation board to JSON. Click here to open the Actions menu. From there, you can add various elements. When ready, click here to export the innovation board to JSON. Next, we'll cover exporting to PDF. Click here to open the Actions menu. Within, you can add different elements. Click here to export the board to PDF. Manage the grouping and display options as needed. After managing the options, click here to export. Finally, we'll learn how to delete an innovation board. Click here to view the board details. To delete the innovation board, simply click here.